Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the speed of a TikTok video or how to speed up your TikTok videos. The first thing you will need to do is open TikTok. Once in the app, you're going to tap on the plus like you will normally do to upload or create a video. Then you can simply tap on speed in the top right hand corner. It's right below flip. And from here you can tap on 2x or 3x depending on the speed that you want. Then you can simply tap on record. And that's it. Once you have recorded your video, you'll simply tap on the sticky to continue with uploading. And now you have sped up your TikTok video. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.